Hello guys, welcome to Budget Trend. In this video I'm going to walk you through the MiniPay app, how to use it, how to create an account, and how to receive money from anywhere in the world into this app. So this app is available on Google Play Store. So you can go to Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store to download it. All you have to do is just go to your App Store, use the search bar to search for MiniPay, and you will see it right there. All you have to do is install it. Let me update my own before we proceed. So the app only takes 4 megabytes to install, so this update take 1.21 megabytes to update. So once the app is updated, all you have to do is just click open the app. So if you haven't downloaded the app before, the app will be downloaded and installed on your phone. So after that, just click on that open button and open it. So you will create an account using your Google account. Do you understand? So you have to create an account using your Google account. Then after that, after creating an account, you will input your phone number, your country phone number. If you are in the US or you are in the UK, Germany, anywhere, Nigeria, Togo, South Africa, anywhere, just input your phone number and a verification code will be sent to the phone number. Confirm the code, and once the code is confirmed, you will be on this app. So once you log in and once you register successfully on the MiniPay app, you will get $0.1 immediately as a login bonus. Then after that, come to this dashboard there, you will see get up to $0.25 back on your first add cash transactions, earn 2% weekly on your savings. This simply means that once you register the account and you get $0.1, you can simply add another money. You can simply top this MiniPay account up. So once you top it up, you will get $0.25 back. Let's assume that you top up your balance with $100. For instance, you top it up with $100, you will get 0.25% of that $100 back. Do you understand? So everything will be added to your MiniPay account. So you can deposit by clicking on deposit right there. So you can deposit through bank, enter the amount, and once you click on next, it will take you to some third-party companies that will help you to fund your MiniPay account. All you just have to do is, let's assume that you are in Nigeria and you want to top your MiniPay account through bank. So you will be given the best offer as you are seeing on your screen right now. So you can just click on any of this offer and it will take you to the third-party website. So the third-party website will provide the bank account, your local bank account. Let's assume you are in Nigeria. The third-party partner will provide you with a Nigeria bank account in which you can transfer the equivalent of the money you want to top up to. So when they confirm the payment, they will help you top up your MiniPay account. All these partners are legit and they are provided through the MiniPay app. So you can also top up your MiniPay account using wallet or exchange. As you can see, exchange your wallet already have fund in another wallet or exchange. With a few simple steps, you can deposit to MiniPay. So you can only deposit CUSD. This is Celo. MiniPay is created or is built on Celo blockchain. So it is either you fund your MiniPay account with CUSD, which is Celo USD. It is a stable coin pegged to dollar also, or you fund it with USDT. USDC is theta. It's another stable coin pegged to dollar, or you fund with it USDC. USDC is a digital dollar, the real dollar that we are spending. So the digital one is called USDC. It is also pegged to dollar as well. So these are the only crypto that are acceptable on MiniPay. So when you are done with it, just click on I understand and click on next. So you will be provided with this wallet. So you can either copy this wallet and paste it on your crypto exchange in which you want to transfer the crypto from, or show the QR code. So you can scan this QR code and immediately transfer the asset from the other crypto exchange wallet to this MiniPay wallet. Do you understand? So that is the true way you can fund your MiniPay account this airtime, I don't really trust it as well. I think this simply work in the sense that you will click on airtime and you will choose your amount, then the MiniPay will provide you with another third party companies that you will transfer your airtime to. Then those companies will now help you to transfer the equivalent of the airtime to your MiniPay app. I think that is how that will work. I don't really know much about that. So without wasting much time on that, we have talked about deposit. Now let's talk about withdrawal. So this withdrawal, you can either withdraw to your local bank account, that is withdraw using local payment, or you can withdraw to any exchanges, direct deposit of USDT or USDC. Maybe you have a Binance wallet or you have a Coinbase wallet or any crypto wallet, you can use the second options to withdraw. Now, if you want to withdraw to maybe your local bank account, you can click on that and bank, enter the amount of USSD, then you continue and they will take you to another third party company that will help you to process the transfer. So that is that for that. So if you want to withdraw through exchanges, you can see the supported exchanges here. So you can choose from Binance to Bitfinex, Bybit, and Gate.io and others. So you can choose from all these wallets here. Let's say Binance, then you choose, maybe you want to use from USDT and other stuff, then that is how it works. Then let's move to this transaction history right here. So with this transaction history, you will see all your transactions here in this recent activities dashboard here. So if you want to pay, like you want to send money from your MiniPay account to another MiniPay account, all you have to do is just click on this pay right here, and you can send money through phone number. By entering another user's MiniPay phone number, you can simply send money through it, or you can send money through shareable cash link. This shareable cash link work in sense that once you create this cash link, you will enter the amount and send the link to the person you want to send the money to. So anybody that has this shareable cash link can claim the cash, even though the person is not a MiniPay user. So far that he has this shareable cash link, he can easily claim the cash. So once the person click on the link will take the person to Google Play Store or Apple App Store to download the MiniPay app and register an account and claim the fund immediately in the app. So this is how this works. Let's click on it. As you can see, deposit to cash, to the cash link, share the link. Cash is received by your friend when they join our MiniPay family. So once you accept these terms and conditions, you click on next, input your amount, as you can see, and click on next. So that is that for that. So the last but not the least, I'll be talking about MiniPay app is apps. So these are the mini apps on the MiniPay app. So this app allow you to earn rewards. This one here allow you to top up, maybe pay bills instantly. This one here allow you to perform simple tasks and earn reward. This one allow you to recharge your airtime. This one allows you to listen to streaming platforms and earn reward daily. This one allow you to bet and earn reward. All the sport bet. This one too is also about sport betting. This one too is also about sport betting. Ship data bundles allow you to top up your internet connection and so on. There are so many apps on this MiniPay app. So that is it. That is the workaround of MiniPay. So I will be talking about inviting friends as well. As you can see right here, you will see my invitation code in the description below. You can click on it to get your referral bonus. That means you will earn $0.1 once you sign up and all of that.